Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a professional trading journal inside Notion using a free win rate tracker template. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clean and organized system that helps you track trades, monitor performance, and improve your trading strategy over time. The best part is that you don't need any advanced Notion experience to follow along. Everything is beginner-friendly, and we'll set it up step by step. Let's get started. Open your Notion workspace, click More in the top left corner, then select Browse Templates from the drop-down menu. If you can't find it, you can simply go to the search bar and search Templates. This section contains thousands of ready-made Notion templates for productivity, finance, habit tracking, and much more. Instead of building an entire trading journal from scratch, which can take a lot of time and technical setup, we're going to use a professionally designed template to speed up the process. In the template search bar, type Win Rate Tracker. You'll now see several trading journal templates appear on your screen. Take a moment to look through the options and choose one that matches the style and layout you prefer. Don't worry too much about finding the perfect template immediately, because every part of the template can be customized later. Once you find a template you like, click on it to open the preview page. This allows you to quickly review the structure, layout, and included features before adding it to your workspace. When you're ready, click the Add button. Notion will automatically duplicate the template into your workspace, giving you a fully structured trading journal within seconds. This saves you from manually creating databases, formulas, statistics, and tracking systems yourself. Now it's time to personalize the journal. Start by editing the basic sections to match your trading style. For example, you can add details about the markets you trade, your preferred strategy, risk management rules, or trading goals. Customizing these sections makes the journal more practical and easier to use during your daily workflow. Next, begin entering sample trade data. Add a few recent trades, including details like entry price, exit price, profit or loss, trade outcome, and any notes you want to keep for future analysis. As you enter information, you'll notice that the template automatically updates important metrics, such as your win rate, overall performance, and trading statistics. This is one of the biggest advantages of using a Notion trading journal, because it helps you quickly identify patterns and improve decision-making over time. If you make a mistake while editing the template, don't worry. Notion makes it very easy to update, delete, or rearrange content whenever you need to. You can also customize the appearance of the journal by changing icons, colors, fonts, or adding screenshots and notes for each trade. The goal is to create a workspace that feels organized, efficient, and tailored to your personal trading process. And that's it. You've successfully created a professional trading journal in Notion with a built-in win rate tracker. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you'd like to see more Notion tutorials or trading productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.